Hello everybody, this is me and JoJo. How y'all doing out there? I've come to bring y'all something today. I had to just let y'all hear it. Can you say hello, JoJo? Hello. Say hello. Say hello, man. Me and my guinea pig coming at you. Hey, don't forget to do this. Subscribe. Y'all, I hope I spelled it right. Really? But this is what I need to tell y'all. Check this one out. Time heals almost anything. If you're going through a rough period, give it time. It's only temporarily. Hey, only temporary. Only temporarily. Like I should keep my day job. Temporarily. Yep. Here's I wanted to kind of put it in my little feisty box. Yeah, he's looking for his treat. Yep, he's looking for it. Y'all, I had a choice to wear a shirt or wear this scarf. And I think this scarf might do better on my head. Let me see. We got something here. I think it's parsley. Whatever it is, it's green. There we go. Really? And when JoJo, he sound like a motor. Get your motor running. JoJo sounds like a motor. Get your motor running. My guinea pig sound like a motor. Wait a minute. I need something to rhyme, right? Do I need something to rhyme? Get your motor running. I forget even got how the song go, y'all. Going down the highway. JoJo, get your green veggies. Fly away, fly away. Okay, here you go, man. Well, I brought some more parsley home. I think it's parsley. Can you guys, is this parsley or is this, what? What kind is this, y'all? I don't know. It said parsley. If it was in the wrong area, they put it there. No, this is parsley. I smell it. Yeah. JoJo, y'all see that? He almost had my finger. Y'all. All right, let me put JoJo down so you guys can see just how much stuff he got going on down there. Look at that. He got everything down there. But let me move my feisty mailbox. Also, you all, I want to show y'all this. Somebody, before I do this, uh-oh, man, I'm not here to bother you. But still, it's going to be my feisty box that we're going to put all the things in the inside. That's one of them. I made a few more, y'all. I was just slow on doing it. Subscribe. That's not going to be one. But this is going to be the feisty mailbox where I'm going to put some smaller ones in there and then I'll be able to shake out of that box or this box. And look, check this out. It's got a little arm on it. I like that. But one day I was at work and somebody gave me this scarf. I told this one lady, I said, ooh, I love your scarf. She said, just a minute, you can have it. Yeah, that's what she said. So check this out, y'all. Let's do this. I'm going to try to see, can I do this scarf like that? I think I can. Oh, but this one would have to go like this. I think this one would have to go like this. Yeah, because this one is just a little bit longer. But yet and still, I would be able, y'all hang in there with me. Look at that. I would be able to wrap this. This one comes with a little, look at there. Believe me, I'm going to find out something to do with it. But I'll be able to wrap this around twice. Probably. Or should I go this way? Should I go this way? And then around? Y'all, I really got this one. Y'all ain't even bring me a mirror so I could see. Go around. Maybe it could go like that. That kind of looks sloppy. And I ain't even in the mirror, y'all. Let's try this again, okay? So, let's try this. Okay, let me do another style. Do it like that. And do it like this. Turn it a little bit. And do it like that. And after that, do it like this. And then, sort of, kind of, tuck it a little bit. I know how it look. Oh Lord, that's a hot mess because I can tell. And plus I need a haircut. Really? Look, it's just dangling. Okay, let's see. Maybe I could do this and then do this. Y'all, it's a long scarf. Oh, this might work. Do like this and this, and then wrap it around my head. Whoa, whoa, okay, that'll work. It almost made it a wrap, and then put it like this. But if I wanted to dang, it could dang. But if I wanted to hide it, I could hide it. Then I could do it like this. And this part is dangling back there, but this is what you do. Take it. Do it like that. Let me see if JoJo gonna know me. JoJo, do you know who I am? I don't know if he know who I am. Yeah, I ain't too long ago got home from work. Well, I've been here for a while. I was trying to get some cards together, and I found different stuff I wanted to do. And yeah, here go a yellow cloth. Y'all, like I told y'all, I'm into. So this would probably sit on this table right here for JoJo. Yeah. Let me see. What can I do? Yeah. I really love this scarf. It's really pretty. I'm never gonna cut this. Oh, and then you can use this scarf for this. This is what I had it for. To let JoJo not scratch me. So I put it up like this. I put it on me like this, trying to think I could hold him like this. Wait, let me see. He's eating right now. He's scratching right now. Hold on. JoJo. JoJo. What? I done took his food away. Do it look pacificated, sophisticated, sophisticated, or just sophisticated? Does it? But me put him back down with his food. I don't want nobody playing with me when I got no food to eat. Here, JoJo. There you go. So, I could use it like that. And then again, I could use it like this. I could do this, like this, and then I could do like this. Oh, 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 you think? Or I could do it like this. Then I can really feel. Then I can really, JoJo over here doing something. Or better yet, maybe I could take this scarf, throw it down like JoJo just did. The emojis. Do it like this. Whoa, do it like that. Hey, hey, do it like this. Do it like that. Do it, just do it. Don't do that, JoJo. Look. He got some of everything down here. He done did something with my emojis. Okay, let's see. Y'all, that's a beautiful scarf. Look how it drapes. Check it out. Oh, maybe I can go put on some makeup. Maybe I can put on some makeup and then. Don't eat this, man. You don't want no more? Do this. Oh, you are. Here's a something. Make it your thumbnail. Here we go again with these words. My friend laughed at me yesterday. Y'all, you know the medicine that you get? I couldn't say the word. I know the word, but I couldn't say the word. And she was looking something up, and I said, "Are you getting a generic?" Not genetic. Generic. I said, "Generic." I just couldn't get it right. I couldn't even finish saying the word because I cracked up at myself. But I told her, "You know what I mean. You quit laughing at me. You know what I mean." She know what I meant, but it was funny. Okay, y'all. I am. Oh, it's kind of warm too. I can put on some jewelry, go with the flow. Me and JoJo. Y'all, this is the craziest stuff. I'm on YouTube every day and love it. Because I don't have to deal with people so much as trouble or going from door to door trying to find friends. Because y'all are my friends. And yeah, I do socialize with people. I do have a job, so I'm around people all the time. But when you get away from work, sometimes you just want to chill. Am I hurting anybody? No. If anything, I'm loving everybody. Especially this here guinea pig. I don't give my time to nobody but JoJo and Glow. And Glow is in the tank. Hey. So, y'all, I can do all things through Christ whom strengthened me. And as long as I got Christ, guess what? He gonna keep giving me the strength I need to do. I need to keep going. He will give you the strength. He gave me the strength. He'll give you the strength. What he do for me, he do for you too. He ain't got no perspective person. And yes, I did say that word right. So, yeah. Get a shot. You got it? Now. Oh, I just love this scarf. I really do. Wait, let me see. What if I do it like this? What if I do it like this? And like this? Oh my God, I do want to breathe. God, wait, let me loosen it up. Okay. Okay, I can breathe. Oh, okay, kind of let it drop a little bit. What you think? What y'all think? Maybe I should have put on some better earrings. Then y'all could have seen. Maybe go with a little jewelry right here, y'all. What you think? What you think, JoJo? Let me see if I get JoJo and wrap him up in the scarf. He's so busy trying to eat. Uh-oh. Let's see. There you go. There you go, JoJo. And he blowing. Let's see. Okay, I'm not gonna. Whoa. JoJo. It's in the scarf. Maybe I could wear a guinea pig scarf. He don't like it. Let me get him out of there. Okay, man. There you go. You can go on back. Yeah. Well, he didn't like it. Y'all, I'm sweating with this doggone thing on my head. But, hey, y'all remember this? I remember my mom and them used to make us a scarf, right? But the scarf was like this. It wasn't like this. My mom and them used to take this. Y'all remember? I know some of y'all remember that. Hey, this kind of might work a little bit, huh? Do it like that. Yeah, he hit my box down. That was my box. Do it like this. Hey, y'all know somebody? that loves you. That's me. I love you. Okay. Ooh, maybe tie it like this. And then it got the 2 tassels at the end. I know I'm looking crazy right now, really. Somebody could come out with this and they will go along with it. Somebody could look this silly and somebody would make it out of a trend. Maybe I can make this the trend thing. It's the trend. Okay. Let me let y'all see JoJo. Okay. JoJo, show them just what you done. Show them what you done. There he is. They knocked over everything. Get my little box. My little box. Give me a little emoji. So you done knocked the emojis way over here. He just really don't like these emojis. Here's JoJo. Okay. I think these emojis might be getting on. Do y'all see what he be doing? Y'all see JoJo's doing this. Y'all see he doing this on purpose, right? Y'all, wait a minute. Okay. JoJo. Don't eat my thing up. It turned that way. That's the feisty mailbox. We gotta open up the mailbox and we'll be able to pull it out. Times heal almost anything. If you're going through a rough period, give it time. It's only temporarily. Like this is just temporarily. JoJo, you doing this stuff on purpose. I used to say that you didn't. Oh, he's turning a little windmill. It's 2 of them. No, don't eat that. JoJo, you just really, little sharp teeth don't take no time to come. Do that. Let me take this hot thing off. Y'all, how I got this thing on my neck? Oh. I was scared there for a minute because I thought I had messed up my neck. I couldn't be able to get up out of this thing. Okay. Come on. Let's go. Come. Ooh, it's hot in that thing. JoJo, that just says subscribe and like. Okay. Here. Get your parsley. You want to eat your parsley? There you go. Here you go. Whew, yeah. JoJo, you doing that stuff on purpose. You're doing that on purpose, man. Do y'all see JoJo, what he's doing on purpose? Do you see how he just pushes out of the way? He's pushing it. Literally. He don't want something in his way, he just moves it. I guess he said it's got a lot to do with his food. Y'all, we bring out a video every day, me and JoJo. Holla at you later. Bye.